So vehicles these days, we understand, are packed with technology. They are smarter, they are faster. There's so much more in store behind the wheel, Damon.
Yeah, everything's happening so rapidly. So I went over to the Ohio Technical College in Cleveland. This is a private, family-owned trade school to see how they're training those students, those young men and women, for the jobs of today and also the future. Bethany Spiker.
I grew up in a farm town, so you had anything from semis to tractors to golf carts.
And Samuel Barris.
I love seeing how things work. I love figuring it out.
Are using their curiosity to make a career in the automotive industry. They're students at Ohio Technical College in Cleveland.
Technology is so fast, keeping up with it is the hard part.
Advances in engine technology and parts matched with all the microchips we see, which control infotainment screens to fuel management and other safety features, have really changed what and how schools teach.
Nowadays, you're going to a dealership, you're going to an aftermarket shop, you're taking it to a technician. A guy who can diagnose your car, plug in a scan tool, a computer, and figure out from codes, figure out what computer is not communicating right, what sensor isn't communicating right.
Theory and work where you still get your hands dirty, still essential.
It's going to change a lot in the next 10 years as we get into electrification and electric cars, but the basics are still there. You still have a brake system, you still have your HVAC system.
It's become an industry. It's more about getting paid for what you know, a lot of times, rather than what you can do. And the people that get paid for what you know are the ones that are the top tier.
The U.S. Labor Department says the median pay for an automotive service technician or mechanic is just over $44,000. But with demand high for these positions, OTC students are making $50,000, $60,000 a year starting out.
I'm into high performance. I would like to work for a racetrack down the road.
The expanding electric and hybrid vehicle market here in the States opening up even more opportunities.
We took hybrids, so we learned the whole electrical part of it all. It was really neat to see that change from just pure horsepower and engine to, I mean, it's a driving computer.
And guys, speaking with the students, they are ready to enter the job market after, depending on the program, 12, 15 months. And they're getting good jobs with some good benefits. So training for the future, technology, right? we're all used to that.
Oh, absolutely. Guys, you look
and
like...
I can imagine that they're going to get a job really soon.
Oh, they absolutely will, especially with the enthusiasm that she has. All right, guys, we'll check back in with you shortly, live this morning.